When you're using Presto card to travel by Go train, the Presto card kiosk is outside as you see in the video. This is where you have to tap your Presto card. If you are not aware and you're thinking that like any other place, when you enter the Go bus, you tap inside the bus, or you're using say TTC, My Way, you use the card inside. That's how it does not work. You see the kiosk is outside. You have to tap in and tap out whenever you're using. Otherwise, once you board the train, you will figure out that there is no tapping machine inside the train. This is what you will pay as fine in case you are traveling ticketless. And now that you have watched the video, you know that when you board the train, the kiosk is outside. And if you're boarding the bus, the kiosk is inside. You have to tap in and tap out so that the exact fare can be deducted.
I took this video on a weekend, so some of them they use the weekend go pass, which you can buy online, and you show that on mobile. I have made video, so you can check that out.